Want to say thank you, Joel?
Thank you. Thank you. Andrea. Thank you. Andrea. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you for coming so we can meet all of you, which most of you we have never met. It's very, very special. The Somewhere Over the Rainbow that we walked out to, I knew that song, but I didn't know who sang it. And she was like, oh, it's Iz. He's Hawaiian and whatever. And so we used his What a Wonderful World. And
Such a good song.
And that's always been one of our very, very favorite songs, and it is a wonderful world. And the one line, I hear babies crying and watch them grow, like, was so appropriate. It makes me cry.
Look at Aiden. I'll give Leah. Look, Louis too. Not tears of joy. Pain. Anguish. Can't dance in flip-flops.
That's ridiculous.
Shy girl.
Give me this. Thank you.
Oh, our first dance was the first time we ever danced at our own weddings. Because we didn't dance at our first one.
With all your red. Thank you.
My red ribbon.
Wow. It was just fun.